Tech pay higher than some doctors. Unleash your inner tech maverick. Master these insane computer skills and earn a fortune. The following 5 computer skills are consistently sought after. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML). $100,000 to $150,000 per year. With the rise of AI-driven technologies, professionals skilled in AI and ML are highly sought after. These skills involve designing and implementing algorithms, developing predictive models, and analyzing large datasets. Cybersecurity. $90,000 to $130,000 per year. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, organizations are prioritizing the protection of their digital assets. Cybersecurity professionals develop and implement measures to safeguard networks, systems, and sensitive information. The average pay for cybersecurity specialists can range from $90,000 to $130,000 per year. Cloud computing. $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses store, manage, and process data. Professionals with expertise in cloud platforms, such as Amazon Web Services (AWS), Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, are in high demand. Data science and analytics. $90,000 to $140,000 per year. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making, professionals skilled in data science and analytics are in high demand. These skills involve collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting data to derive insights and drive business strategies. Full-stack development. $70,000 to $120,000 per year. Full-stack developers have a comprehensive understanding of both front-end and back-end development. They can create and manage web applications, work with databases, and handle server-side programming. Added incentive to get the skills and experience necessary.